Alright, cool. I'm gonna pack all this stuff away and then we can go for our first drive. Alright, we are here in just a random location. I'm gonna start this thing. Now, I've just driven it here. It's not insanely loud. However, it's got a bit of... Now, I'm not even sure you'll be able to hear it, but... Oh, dude, it's got a little bit of sound to it, like... Oh. Alright, so like I said, that I would be done, but we have to do 100 too. Oh yeah, come on, give me a prompt then. Alright, here we go. Hopefully this works. Just preparing, don't move. Alright. Here we go. Oh my god. 6 points, dude, so I used to get about 7.2, 7.3. That's crazy, dude. Dude, that's... Can I share that? How do I do that? Hang on, we'll just go back to this. Alright. Yeah, let's head home and conclude the video.